Alright, if you've ever had a motor that you cut the wires too short or something happened, or you need to cut the wire shorter, and it's one with the hard wires, everybody says that they're almost unrepairable, but I'm going to show you how to get around that. Hinge grinder with a wire brush. Wire brush, you can see copper real good. And kind of spread them apart. I'm going to hold the camera in here. Kind of spread them apart. And make sure you get all the little strands all up in there. Make sure you screw the copper just like that. And then what you want to do is twist the wires back like they were. And let's see if I can prop this camera up somehow. Let me show you how to. And you just tin them like normal. Look at that. Solder sticks to it just fine. This part right here is coated with something, so the solder is not going to stick to that. That's why you got to brush that coating off. And I'm going to even the length of these out once I get them tinned. And then I'll do the other side later. But that's how you fix a motor that is, the wires are cut shorter. Hope that helped.